At the next meeting early next year, BRICS countries are set to introduce a common currency to challenge the dollar's dominance, which currently represents more than 60% of the world's global trade. The proposal for a common BRICS currency does not entail replacing the national currencies of the member countries. If implemented, it will specifically be used for global trade without affecting local transactions. For instance, China will use the BRIC currency to purchase and pay Russia and vice versa. However, domestic transactions within China and Russia will still be conducted in yuan and rubles, respectively. Governments will use the new BRICS currency to enhance global trade cooperation. The people will not use it for their daily financial activities.